Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix scroll with 2 fingers Windows 11 not working. Open the device manager from start. Here in Mice and Other Pointing Devices, right-click on the mouse and choose Uninstall Device. Click on Uninstall. Now click Yes to restart the system. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. When you access again, open the console as administrator. Click Yes to authorize. There, run the command you see on the screen. Press Enter. In the window, click on the line Advanced and confirm that the box is checked. Apply repairs automatically. Wait for the analysis of the devices to be carried out. Again, wait for the analysis to complete, and at the end you can see the result of this process. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.